It is Friday and I am back in the office. If you haven't noticed, I have not been doing a lot of videos lately, been extremely busy both in Pennsylvania and New Jersey, and on a personal side, busy as well. So a lot going on, but again, no excuse. We have been publishing our blogs on a regular basis and have been putting out our e-updates and our monthly updates have been going out as usual, but the videos have taken a step back, but I hope to getting to do more of them. I plan on doing a couple this weekend that'll focus on some updates in the law in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. Now, with regards to New Jersey, one of the biggest updates that we've seen so far in 2024, and we're more than halfway done. And normally I do an end of the year wrap up with things that have changed in 2024 with regards to the law. But I do it every year. I think I'm actually going to do it a little early this year because so much has happened. In Pennsylvania, one of the things that have changed is the sentencing guidelines have been changed, and it's all different now. And the matrix and the offense gravity score calculations, all those are different. I'm actually going to put together a blog article, a very detailed blog article explaining those and the different charts and how it works. And really, a lot of attorneys are trying to figure it out, but it's a tool that we must master very quickly because sentencing guidelines are not only used at sentencing, but also used to evaluate plea offers and also negotiate in the case of a non-trial disposition. Now, again, some cases do go to trial, but many do not. And prior to resolving a case through a plea or an open plea or no contest plea, it's important that your attorney have a firm understanding of the guidelines. So that article will focus in on that. Now, in New Jersey, one of the biggest changes that I've seen is with regards to the drunk driving laws. There was a bill signed by Governor Murphy in January, which is effective now. And basically, it has really changed the way DWIs are handled in New Jersey. One of the biggest changes is that negotiations now between the prosecutor's office and defense are now permitted. You may recall from my previous blogs and videos and even books, we were not able to negotiate DWI sentences. And really what we had to do was we had to show the prosecutor why a case was weak. So in the case of an alco test, showing that, for instance, the 20-minute observation rule wasn't used, or perhaps the mouthpiece wasn't changed, or with regard to field sobriety, there was steps weren't followed, or perhaps during the administration of the alco test, they did not remove all radio devices, which could influence the test. And possibly with regards to the system itself, maybe one of the required chun documents was not presented to us. So these are all things that could have been brought up to kind of negotiate, if you will, but not really call it negotiations. But we actually put on the record that we did not negotiate. The prosecutor had to say what the issue was with the case. So look for those videos up. Those will be coming out very shortly. It is the weekend. I always give my weekend advice. If you are traveling in Pennsylvania, New Jersey, do not, and you are stopped for suspicion of DUI in Pennsylvania or DWI in New Jersey, do not refuse the chemical test. It will never help your criminal case. Be polite, be respectful to the officer, but don't give consent to search your person or your property, but do so in a respectful manner. If the officer wants to search the car, do not get in his or her way, but simply make it clear you're not giving consent. Remember that warrantless searches are permissible in New Jersey. In most situations in the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania, police need a warrant to search a car. There are exceptions to the warrant rule. But again, if police are asking if they can search it, normally they don't have enough probable cause to search it, would mean that there isn't enough probable cause to get a warrant. But again, if you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, the website GamboneLaw.com. As always, a wonderful resource for you and your family. All of my books, my blogs, my videos are available there. We've had some trouble with the website, but we have managed to fix it. All the downloadable books are available, and people are downloading them at a rapid rate. We were not getting emails for people downloading books, and I couldn't figure out what the issue was. And here, the system had an issue, but the good people at Design Hero were able to fix our website and get it rolling again. So I'm very happy about that. It's been an incredibly busy week for our law firm in Pennsylvania, New Jersey. I mean, this week I was all over. I was in Cape May, I was in Atlantic County, I was in Delaware County, I was in Philadelphia, and I was in Camden, back in Philadelphia. So I was bouncing around all week. Plus, my kids have a very, very busy summer schedule. I know not your problem, my problem, but nevertheless, a busy time for us in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. Have a wonderful Friday. Have a great weekend. Please enjoy it responsibly. And again, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey. And I will talk to you all very soon.